Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to today's English class. How are you all this morning? I hope you all are safe at home and studying well. Dear students, today we are going to learn the concept of these and those. Okay, so in the last classes you have learned about this and that. One object is, okay, and what is this and what is that? Okay, single object you have learned. Okay, yes, and today we are going to learn objectives, more objectives. Okay, using the more objectives where we can use the these spelling and those spelling. Okay, very good. So this is the concept of these and those. This and these are used for near. Okay, and that and those is used for far objectives. Okay, the single objective is this is used and this is used for many objectives, and that is used for one objective, that is far, and those is used for many objectives that are far. Okay, yes, very good. So these are the how you will understand about these and those. Okay, it is used to indicate more than one objective close to us. Okay, that is called these spelling we are used. Okay, these are bells and these are balls. And those, it is used to indicate more than one objective far from us. Like those are stars and those are caps. Okay, so I hope you understood about these and those. Please to learn the spelling. Okay, these and those spelling. And let us continue doing the exercises on these and those. Okay, so we shall continue in the next video. Dear students, let us continue our class with the exercise. Okay, fill in the blank with these and those. Okay, as I have explained to you that these are used for near and for many things, and those are used for far and for many things. Okay, yes. So you see in these exercises that different pictures are drawn here. Okay, we will do the exercises. Okay, where comes these and where comes those? Okay, yes. Are you ready? Very good. So first one are pins. Okay, are pins. So what will come here? These or those? Because pins are close to us. Okay, so these are pins. So you will write these are pins. What is the spelling of these? T-H-E-S-E. These are pins. Second one are cups. So many cups are here. Okay, so cups are far from us. So what will you write here? Those are cups. What is the spelling of those? T-H-O-S-E. Those are cups. Okay? Yes. Are huts. Huts also far from us. So those are huts. T-H-O-S-E. Those are huts. Very good. Now you see two pictures, bells and balls. They two are close. Okay, near. So what will be the spelling will come here? These are bells. These are books. What is the spelling of these? T-H-E-S-E. These are bells. These are books. T-H-E-S-E. These are balls. Very good. Now 3 more exercises are there. Let us go there. Yes. Do you see them? Yes, very good. So, are trees. Dash are trees. So, what will be the spelling comes here? Those are trees because trees are far. T-H-O-S-E. Those are trees. Next one are mats. Mats are close. So these are mats. These are mats. Then last one are caps. So many caps are there, but they are far. So what will be the spelling here? Those are caps. T-H-O-S-E. Those are caps. Okay? Very good. So dear students, these and those you have to learn the spelling. Okay? When you write, you should not make a mistake. Okay? And you see here A-R-E-R. Did you see? Here comes. Those are cups. A-R-E-R. Why here R come? Because one object is a more objects. Okay? Jada hai. That is why we use the helping verb that is A-R-E-R. Okay? If is one cap. So what will you use? I-S-E-S. I-S-E-S. Okay? Remember all this. R used for many and I-S-E is used for one object. Okay? This is a pencil, this is a box, this is a pen, like that. Okay? R is used for many. Okay? Yes. Remember all this. And the spelling of these and that and these and those. Okay? These and that. This is used for close and that is used for far. Okay? And this is spelling used for near for many things and those spelling used for far for many things. Okay? ज़्यादा चीज़ों के लिए यूज करता है far from us, हमसे दूर है. ठीक है? और ज़्यादा चीज़ हम close to us, उसके लिए यूज करता है these. ज़्यादा चीज़ far from us, दूर from us, है ना? For that we are used for those. Okay? Yes, very good. So please do practice them at home and learn the spelling of it. These and that and these and those spelling. Okay? Very good. So please do practice at home. Okay? And also practice the handwriting. Okay? Writing properly on 4-line copies. 4-line pages. Okay? You are using the 4-line copy every day. Yes or no? Yes. So in that copy only you need to write proper lines. Okay? With a good handwriting. Okay? Most of you are doing well. So please do continue and study well. Okay? Yes. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.